Since the Affordable Care Act became law, the health insurance requirements for students have changed.
Emma Dickson joins us now with more information on the requirements. Emma, some students have had trouble clearing the requirement.
That's right. The student health insurance requirement raises controversy among many students. I decided to do some research on why the university has this requirement and got a few opinions from some students.
Here at MSU Denver, we as students should all be aware of one major deadline each semester. That deadline is the health insurance deadline that students have the option to opt out of. MSU Denver requires each student taking up to 9 credits or more to have health insurance. I spoke to a few different MSU Denver students about their opinion on the health insurance requirement.
I think it's a good idea because if somebody gets sick, like with the mumps or something that's contagious, you want to make sure that they can go and see a doctor and get it taken care of so they don't share it.
Freshman year was my first semester and I didn't sign the waiver properly, and so I had it, and then I also had my parents' insurance, and so I had paid for 2 insurance at the same time, and I lived on campus, so when I was sick I only used the plaza once.
I was also able to speak to Steve Monaco, the director of the Health Center at Auraria, about why students are required to have health insurance and why students have the option to opt out of the university's provided health insurance twice a year.
Affordable Care Act is the name of the law, and it requires, there's a stipulation I should say, that requires all citizens to have health insurance in the United States. And if they've already got health insurance on the outside and it's a good plan, then they can easily waive out of it. But you do have to do it twice a year because of the fact that we don't know if the student will be enrolled the second semester.
MSU Denver has close to 24,000 active students, and with each of these students comes a safety liability. You can find more information on the student health insurance at msudenver.edu/healthcare.
And make sure if you do have health insurance that at the beginning of each semester that you opt out of MSU Denver's provided insurance through Student Hub. The university will charge you if you do not do so.
Certainly don't want that charge. Thanks, Emma.
Thank you.